Hi guys, in this video we're going to see how to run a content audit on InLinks. For the sake of this video, I have taken a website that is about a project management software which is called Rike.com. I have already built a project within of my InLinks account for this website having 101 pages. And I'm going to run an audit for a specific pillar page within of this website, Rike.com. So I'm going to look at the solutions menu here just to see what are the additional services that this website provides. And I'd like to run an audit for this pillar page about resource management. So this page seems to be targeting the topic or the keyword of resource management software. So I'm going to copy this URL and I'm going to search for this page within of this project. And then I'm going to run the audit by clicking here on the audit button. And then I'm going to indicate the target keyword here, which is resource management software in this field. Then click on OK. So upon clicking on OK, the tool is returning the top 10 articles that are ranking for research management software. In this case, that's the competitors in the United States because I have initially set up the project to target the United States. As you can see here, we have those top 10 pages ranking in the US, and we can go up to 20 search results for resource management software. If we wish to amend some of these competitors, we can either remove a URL from here, or we can change a competitor by clicking on this cog and replace a competitor with a different URL. And once we're okay with this list, then we can launch our content audit. So currently now the InLinks is building a knowledge graph of entities of these competitors and comparing these with the entities that are being covered within of this research management software page within of this website, Rike.com. I'm going to pause this video until we see the content editor of this audit. Once the content audit is ready, we can see that the content of the page goes inside of the editor. We also see our content score. In this case, it displays 76%. And on this right-hand side, we will see the entities have been covered within of this content. All the ones that are in green have been mentioned, and the number here reflects the number of times these topics have been covered. And so if we want to improve the content score a little bit, we can focus here by the missing topics or the entities basically which haven't been covered by this page. And we can see here we can expand on some of these entities such as business. We can cover project management, the topic of customer, perhaps also decision making, and so on and so forth. Of course, we don't need to cover everything in here. Just see which ones are actually fitting the context of this page. So if you want to improve the content score, we typically recommend to reach at least the content score of 80% or better. So if we want to cover something around the topic of business, we can click on this business entity. Then we will see some of the synonyms to business. So we see here some of the synonyms such as business, enterprise, or businesses. If we scroll down, we see some competitors section titles where they've been mentioning the topic of business. And if we wish to generate a section around this topic of business in the context of resource management software, we can click here on this button, which is going to generate a section about this topic. And if I scroll down the editor, you will see that the tool is currently generating actually an AI section for the topic of business in the context of resource management software. And we can see that this is the section that has been created. Of course, we can use that as an idea, and we can modify it based on our website. So as we can see here, the tool has created this this section, which is mentioning businesses or business in several parts of this section. Of course, in the context of resource management. If I see the content score, it has improved to 85%, as we have covered 10 times the topic of business here. Alternatively, we can also use the AI assistant feature here by indicating the page type here, whether this is a blog post or sales page. We can also set the audience, either keep it as general, or we can write the content to be targeting for specific audiences such as enterprises, small and medium businesses, and so on. So let's go with the small and medium-sized businesses. We can define a tone of voice. Let's keep it at professional. And currently, we can choose for the AI engine either GPT 3.5 or GPT-4. Let's keep it at GPT-4, and we can generate a content structure, which is going to contain all the topics that we see here inside of this editor. So I'm going to pause this video once again until we have our content structure. Once the content structure for the AI assistant is created, we can see here some sections with the main titles and some subtitles as well. And if we wish to generate content with AI for some of these additional sections to be added into our content here inside of the editor, we can, for a specific section, click on Write with AI. So let's try, for example, for these 3 sections. And once the content is generated with the AI tool, then we can add it into the editor. So let's add this section into the editor. Let's add this one as well, and let's add this one. So we have reached a score here of 80%, as we have covered some of the additional topics that are being displayed here. So an audit basically is where you compare the topics of your page with the top 10 or top 20 ones ranking in the search for a specific market. It allows you to optimize the content of your page around entities / topics instead of simply keywords. And we know that a content which is well optimized around entities tends to be to rank real well in the SERPs. So we come to the conclusion of this video. I hope this was useful. In case you need any help regarding the audit feature, please get in touch with the InLinks support team. Thank you very much.